Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Keisha, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we will be talking about this free webinar that I have coming really soon, and I want you guys to be able to come and join me. But before we get started, don't forget to click the subscribe and don't forget to click the notification so that you are notified each and every time that I come out with another upload here on YouTube. So let's talk about this webinar that I have been planning forever. So this webinar, as you know, I had one before, but you will only know this if you follow me on Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, please look in the description below where you know where to find me. It's instagram.com/taxontrack. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. On this channel, I talk about getting to the bag. I talk about becoming a tax preparer. I talk about starting your own tax company. And I am looking forward to talking about more other ways so that you can grow your income. So enough with the talking, and let's get started with the video. Let's talk about this online webinar that I will be hosting for free. I had to write it down for you guys because I want you to really understand what this webinar is really about to be. So in this webinar, we're going to be talking about who is Keisha, how I started this successful tax company, how I became a tax preparer, why I became a tax preparer, and what led me to this point here today as a tax preparer. Facts about becoming a tax preparer. So I like to bring facts, and if you don't know by now, I am queen of research. Another thing we will be talking about requirements, the requirements to become a tax preparer. I will also be giving you guys details about certain states that have different requirements to become a tax preparer. The benefits of an owner and the benefits of an agent. There is a difference in the tax world if you're somebody that works for a company or somebody that have their own company. In this webinar, this is where it gets juicy. So that's really the juicy part, where I talk about the difference of an agent and a person that has a actual tax company. There's different benefits in both of them, believe it or not. So in the webinar, I will also be introducing you guys to Tax on Track Pro, and I will be letting you guys know a little bit more about Tax on Track Pro, which is a cloud-based software for tax professionals. I'm going to tell you the benefits of having a cloud-based software when it comes to being a tax preparer, especially in a pandemic that we have faced. That is pretty much what I will be going over during this free webinar. You will have me live where I answer all you guys' questions as well. Who should register for this online course? Looking to become a professional tax preparer, this is for you. If you're looking to start something and start it and be serious about it, this is for you. If you always wanted to be a tax preparer but just didn't know where to begin because you're scared of numbers, you didn't go to school for accounting, you didn't go to school to be a CPA, you're just like, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an EA, I'm just wanting to make extra money as a tax preparer, and if it do good, I'm looking to make this a whole business. This is for you because I go into details of the benefits of both worlds. When is the webinar? The webinar is May 14th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will have the link in the description right now. Pause this video. Go ahead and click on pause. Click pause. Click. Did you click pause yet? So I want you to pause this video right now. And I want you to look in the description. I want you to click on it. It's going to take you to the webinar page, and all you need to do is just register. That's all you need to do. Register right now. I'm going to give you guys about 3 minutes to go do. All right, so now that I gave you the 3 minutes, I hope you have went ahead and registered for this free webinar. This is something you do not want to miss. I promise you, you do not want to miss this webinar. You do not want to miss this webinar. And guess what? After the webinar, you will have an opportunity to go ahead and purchase my online course at a discounted rate. This is something you guys don't want to miss. Listen to what I just said. Listen to what I just said. Right after the webinar is finished, you guys that are in the webinar that has completed the webinar with me have an opportunity of purchasing my online course at a discounted rate. This is something that you don't want to miss. If you are somebody that's looking to become a tax preparer, this will be, trust me when I tell you, trust me. And honey, when I say something, I mean it. And when I say something, it happens. This will be the #1 selling tax preparation online course that you can find. Why? Because I'm not going to be just giving you a whole bunch of stuff to read and answer questions. I'm giving you in details everything that you need to have a successful business. Not only am I preparing you to become a successful tax preparer, but I'm also preparing you to build your tax company. This is not your regular online course. Again, not only am I telling you about becoming a tax preparer, but I'm also prepping you, molding you into starting a successful tax business. I am also providing you guys with applications to give to your agents for your tax company. I'm also giving you guys contracts to give to your agents. This is not a 1, 2, 3 hit or miss. This everything that I have struggled with, bumpy roads that I had to go through while I was preparing my tax preparation company. You don't have to go through it. Because not only am I telling you what to do, I'm also giving you solid paperwork so that your company can also be in compliance with the IRS. This is something you guys don't want to miss. And I will see you on the other side where we will be in the webinar. This will be a Zoom webinar for free on May 14th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys. So I hope to see you guys on the other side at the webinar where I answer all your questions. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. If you have not set up the notifications for this channel, be sure to click the notifications right now. Bye.